Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Jira roadmap planning with Portfolio for Safe, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Jira roadmap planning with Portfolio for Safe, start by logging into your Jira instance. Navigate to the Jira dashboard and select the Projects tab. Choose the project where you want to implement the Portfolio for Safe feature. If you haven't already, ensure that the Portfolio for Jira app is installed. Go to the administration settings by clicking on the gear icon. Under the Apps section, search for Portfolio for Jira. Click on the settings for Portfolio to configure the app. Next, create a new plan by selecting the Create Plan option. You'll be prompted to choose a name for your plan and configure its settings. Select the relevant projects that you wish to include in this plan. Define the start and end dates for your planning timeline. Now, set up your team members by adding them to the plan. Assign relevant roles to each team member based on their responsibilities. Afterward, import your existing issues by clicking on the Import Issues option. Select the issue sources, such as Jira software projects or filters. Next, map your issues to the corresponding team members in sprints. Customize your plan view to reflect milestones and key deliverables. Utilize the roadmap feature to visualize dependencies and timeline. Adjust effort estimates for each issue to ensure accurate planning. After finalizing the plan, save your settings and begin utilizing the roadmap for safe planning. You can continuously update the plan as new information becomes available. Revisit this plan regularly in your team meetings to stay aligned on progress. Finally, communicate any changes with stakeholders to ensure transparency in your planning process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.